Making empanada dough is not as hard as you might thought. It is quite easy as the dough doesn't need to be overworked. It only requires minimal kneading. If you make this dough at home, then you can make empanada very easily. Into a bowl of all-purpose flour, take half teaspoon of salt, 2 cubes of butter. Mix the butter and salt with the flour well. The butter should be cool. Use your fingertips to mix the butter with the flour. Mix them till they are nicely crumbly. Now into another bowl, take 1 egg, add 50 ml of chilled water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, beat the egg well with the water. Make sure the water is nicely chilled. Mixture is ready. Now I am going to pour this egg mixture into the flour mix. First, mix with a fork and then I'll knead this dough with my hand. I'm adding this egg mixture little at the first time. Keep knead the dough, adding more of the water and egg mixture as needed until the dough is smooth. Rest this dough for 30 minutes in cool place. You can see the dough is soft and smooth. Knead the dough again. Knead this dough gently. Now make some individual balls from the dough. Give a round shape and just little flatten. Roll the individual balls with the rolling pin. Roll it evenly from every side. The dough can be used immediately or you can refrigerate it for 1 to 2 days. Now cut this with a cookie cutter or a pole and remove the excess sides. Wrap of empanada is ready. Now just fill some stuffing into this and give the shape of empanada. I'll give the link of empanada in the description box. Just fill with the stuffing and turn one edge to the other. Seal it well and start to twist the sides. Fry them into the oil and they'll be ready to eat. I'll give the full link of the recipe in the description box. So please check the full recipe of tuna empanada from the description box. You could simply stuff the excellent dough with whatever meat and vegetable combination you like. That's it for today's video. Do hit the like button after watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.